Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share kids' favorite Alfredo pasta. Come on, let's get started. In a pan, I'm taking 3 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter melt. You take a bigger pot so that it will be easier for you to mix. Let the butter melt. To that I'm adding 3 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Be generous in adding garlic. Garlic will give real different taste. Do not burn the garlic just until the raw smell is gone. To this I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of cheddar cheese. We will melt both cheese. It will take a little while. Now I am adding heavy whipping cream, 1 cup. This will also help the cheese melt. After this point, you can put the stove on high so that the cheese will melt faster. As soon as the cheese melts, you can again put it on sim or lower flames. Now I am adding Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon. Garlic and Italian seasoning gives extra flavor. If you like more flavor of Italian seasoning, you can add extra half a teaspoon. Now I am adding 1 glass of milk. It is approximately 1 cup. This milk will loosen the sauce. It will make it more liquidy. If you want the sauce more liquid, you can also add 1 more cup. If you want to keep the cheese a little less, you can increase little more of milk and cream. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And also 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix them well. Give it a good mix. Now I am adding the pasta. I am adding elbow pasta. You can also add any pasta of your choice, either penny pasta or fettuccine, any pasta of your choice. This is 5 cups of boiled pasta. It is a creamy, delicious pasta which can always be a star in your party for kids. Any kids' party, it would be a very special dish. Give it a good mix. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese. This is also approximately 3 tablespoons. You can prepare it ahead of time, and before serving, if you want to loosen, you can just mix half glass or quarter glass of milk to loosen it up. I have dished it out. I'm sprinkling some more mozzarella cheese and Italian seasoning, as well as I'm just giving a drizzle of cream. I'll be just baking it for 10 minutes or microwave for 2 minutes before serving. It's a very delicious Alfredo pasta. Believe me, guys, you will never fail. Go with the recipe, enjoy. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.